colors too. What is the color of the sky so blue? It's blue and clear the whole day through. What do you see when you look up high? You'll see the birds and the clouds fly by. What is your favorite food to eat? Pizza and ice cream, oh so sweet. Where is the park? Where do we go? It's down the street where the flowers grow. Where do the fish live swimming so free? They live in the ocean deep as can be. Where do the children play and run? At the playground having lots of fun. Why does the sun shine so bright in the sky? It gives us warmth as the clouds float by. Why do we sleep when the day is through? So we can rest and wake up new. Why does it rain? Why does it pour? It helps the flowers grow, that's for sure. Who is your best friend? Who do you trust? It's you and me, we have to adjust. Who can make you laugh till you cry? Mom and Dad, oh my, oh my. Who is the one who shows you the way? It's your teacher, brightening your day. Where is the park? Where of do we go? It's down the street where the flowers grow. Where do the fish live swimming so free? They live in the ocean deep as can be. Where do the children play and run? At the playground having lots of fun. Why does the sun shine so bright in the sky? It gives us warmth as the clouds float by. Why do we sleep when the day is through? So we can rest and wake up new. Why does it rain? Why does it pour? It helps the flowers grow, that's for sure. Who is your best friend? Who do you trust? It's you and me, we have to adjust. Who can make you laugh till you cry? Mom and Dad, oh my, oh my. Who is the one who shows you the way? It's your teacher, brightening your day.
Subscribe to my channel.
channel